solar system and planets for all competitive exams. Let's start. Sun, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. First of all, we have to understand what is solar system. Planets, satellites, asteroids, meteors, comets, which are moving around the sun is called solar system. Polish astronomer Nicolaus Copernicus discovered the solar system in 1532. German astronomer, mathematician and astrologer Johannes Kepler gave the laws of planetary motion. The solar system has 8 planets. Pluto is considered as a dwarf planet. These 8 planets have been divided into 3 groups: terrestrial planets or rocky planets, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, gas giants planets, Jupiter and Saturn, and ice giants planets, Uranus and Neptune. The Sun is the center of our solar system. Its size is 13 lakh times as that of the Earth. Sun is the nearest star to the Earth. The Sun is the main source of all energy on Earth. The Sun is composed of 71% hydrogen, 26.5% helium and 2.5% other gases. Then, hydrogen and helium are the main gases present in the Sun. Surface temperature of the Sun is approximately 5505 Celsius and the temperature at the center is around 1,50 lakh Celsius. The Sun is about 150 million or 15 crore kilometers away from the Earth. Light takes about 8 minutes and 20 seconds to reach the Earth from the Sun. Mercury is the smallest planet in the solar system. It does not have any satellites. Mercury is the closest planet to the Sun. It is the second hottest planet after Venus in our solar system. Mercury is the second densest planet after Earth. There is no water on this planet. Mercury planet has no gases like CO2, N2, H2, and O2. That's why there is no existence of life on this planet. Mercury revolves around the Sun very quickly than the Earth. That's why 1 year on Mercury takes approximately 88 Earth days, where Earth takes 365 days to orbit the Sun once. But Mercury rotates around its axis very slowly than the Earth. Because of it, Mercury is much longer than a day on Earth. 1 day on Mercury is 58,646 Earth days or 1,407 hours 30 minutes and 14 seconds long, while a day on Earth is 23 hours, 56 minutes and 4 seconds long. Venus is the nearest planet to the Earth and second in distance from the Sun. Venus is the hottest planet of our solar system, also the brightest planet. Venus is also known as the evening star as well as morning star. Venus in size and mass just like the Earth. Therefore, Venus is also known as the Earth's twin or Earth's sister. Venus spins or rotates clockwise or in the opposite direction on its axis. Unlike the other planets in our solar system except Uranus, Venus revolves around the Sun from east to west. Therefore, in this planet the Sun rises in west and sets in the east. There is no water on Venus. Because of insufficient oxygen, life doesn't exist on this planet. Earth is known as the watery planet or the blue planet due to the presence of huge amount of water on it. This planet has a large quantity of oxygen for which life exists on this planet. Moon is the only satellite of this planet. Earth is the largest and densest of the inner planets. It takes 23 hours, 56 minutes and 4 seconds to rotate on its axis. Earth takes 365 days, 5 hours and 48 minutes to revolve around the Sun. Earth revolves around the Sun from west to east. Therefore, here on this planet the Sun rises in east and sets in the west. Earth is made of rocks and stuff. Mars is called as red planet. The soil of this planet contains huge amount of iron oxide. Because of it, the color of this planet is orange-reddish. Phobos and Deimos are two satellites or moons of Mars. Deimos is the smallest satellite of our solar system. Mars revolves around the Sun from west to east. That's why the Sun rises in the east and sets in the west on this planet. Mars takes 687 Earth days to revolve around the Sun and 24 hours 37 minutes to rotate or spin on its axis. Then, 1 year on Mars is 687 Earth days and 1 day is 24 hours 56 minutes long. The planet has a thin layer of atmosphere with nitrogen and argon gas. The tallest mountain in the solar system, Olympus Mons, a shield volcano, is 21 km high and 600 km in diameter, is situated on this Mars planet. It is about 3 times the height of Mount Everest. There are signs of liquid water in the form of ice on Mars. Thus, life can exist on this planet. Mars takes its name from the Roman god of war. Jupiter is the largest planet of our solar system. Jupiter is also known as winter planet because its average temperature is very low, 148 degrees Celsius. Jupiter has approximately 67 known satellites and Ganymede, satellite of Jupiter, is the largest satellite in the solar system. Jupiter is the fastest spinning planet in our solar system. It rotates on its axis in just 10 hours, but Jupiter takes 12 years to revolve around the Sun. Saturn is the second largest planet of our solar system after Jupiter. Titan is the largest satellite of Saturn and second largest satellite in the solar system after Ganymede, satellite of Jupiter. Saturn is the only ring planet in the solar system, and these rings are made up with dust, rock and ice. Italian astronomer Galileo Galilei first discovered this Saturn planet with a telescope in the year 1610 AD. Saturn could float in water because it is mostly made of gas like helium, which is used in balloons. That's why you cannot stand on Saturn. Saturn revolves around the Sun very slowly. A year on Saturn is more than 29 Earth years long. Saturn spins on its axis very fast. A day on Saturn is just 10 hours and 42 minutes long. Uranus is the third biggest planet of our solar system after Jupiter and Saturn. Uranus is about 4 times the size of the Earth. This planet appears greenish in color because of methane gas present in its atmosphere. Uranus is the 7th planet in distance from the Sun. Uranus was discovered by Sir William Herschel in 1781. Uranus rotates or spins from east to west on its axis, which is opposite to the other planets except Venus. Therefore, on this planet, the Sun rises in the west and sets in the east. Uranus takes time to revolve around the Sun 84 Earth years long. But this planet spins on its axis very fast. Uranus completes its rotation on its axis within 17 hours and 14 minutes. Neptune is the farthest planet solar system. It is the 8th planet in distance from the Sun. Neptune in size, mass, composition and rotation is very similar to Uranus. Therefore, Uranus and Neptune called twin planets. Neptune is blue in color. This planet contains sufficient methane gas. The temperature on the surface of this planet is very low. 200 degrees Celsius. Neptune revolves around the Sun very slowly. That's why 1 year on Neptune is approximately 165 Earth years long. But it rotates on its axis very fast. As a result, 1 day on Neptune is 16 hours and 6 minutes long. So friends, I hope you have enjoyed this video, and you can see that I have made this video with the hard work, so I need your help and support. If you just like this video, then please hit the like button and share this video to your friends and relatives in their Facebook, WhatsApp and Twitter. And if you are new to my channel, then please press the subscribe button and don't forget to click the bell icon to get the latest news from my channel. Thank you so much for being with me and watching this video.